Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm unboxing a package from Saks OFF5TH of Saks Fifth Avenue of Feet. In this occasion, I ordered this Jimmy Choo I Want Shoe perfume that I will be reviewing and unboxing soon. Subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss my first impression video. In addition to my Jimmy Choo the perfume, I also ordered a bag. This bag is from the brand Rebecca Minkoff. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name of the bag right, but I'm gonna leave you the link of this product down in the description section for you to check it out. One thing I noticed in this unboxing is that this brand doesn't add a dust bag to protect it from the dust, so I'm gonna miss that. And this bag is called Gabby leather satchel. Up to this day, June 11, 2023, the price is $179.99 American dollars, minus 25% off. So I think for a leather bag, this is a very good price. This bag has a very strong leathery smell. I really like it. The color of this bag is tan. It has a snap flap closure, silver tone hardware, one outside zip pocket, small enough for my debit card and my club member card. As you could see, it also has one outside slip pocket, good enough for my cell phone and some other non-important cards or business cards, documents for quick access. It has one inside zip pocket for passport or other important document or your small wallet. Textile lining, as you can see, is made of leather. That's one of the things I like or I search for when I'm buying bags. I really like leather bags. This bag also has a top handle and an adjustable removable crossbody straps. For the sizes, I will leave the link down in the description section for you to see if it will fit you. Now let me tell you, I have been wearing this bag for a couple of times now. I can tell you that this bag smells strongly like leather. So I can tell it's genuine leather. I'm not an expert on bags, but I hope my nose doesn't lie. To me, it is a medium size. I am petite, 5'2", so the shoulder strap is fine for me. I like that it's very practical. The color match with a lot of clothes, different styles. In my opinion, it's good for everyday wear, work, travel, running errands, etc. If I consider this a luxurious item, I cannot say that. I really like it because it's very practical. It is a good buy. I like the quality, I like what I'm seeing, and it's good for what I needed. And that's it for this video. I will see you next time. Bye!